this is Jessie from Lucas Salon. Today I'm going to be demonstrating free training at-home styling on Haley today. We're going to be practicing some beach waves. We offer this on both of our membership programs, the Silver and the Platinum. I'm going to be using Orbe's Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil on her mid-shaft and ends to kind of help seal down those frizzy ends and make it nice and shiny. Since Haley has pretty thick hair, we're going to be using about 2 pumps of this, and she's going to work it through her mid-shaft and ends and avoiding the roots. So next with Haley's hair, I'm going to take some working spray by Orbe. I'm going to section out her hair in smaller sections because she does have a lot of hair. And we're going to start the process of spraying and curling. So I'm going to be using an 1 to 1.5 inch barrel today on Haley's hair. I am going to start off in the back, and when I work my way to the front, I'll let her take over for a little bit and let it test her out in her hands. Orbe's super fine hairspray to kind of lock in the curls that we just did. We want to set them and get them cool, so we're going to be using this spray. So if you want to hold it like you normally do, and wrap it around like that, at least just hold some of that hair out. You see how much I have out? And then just let it either fall into your hand to let it cool, or you can just let it drop. So now that all of our curls are done, we need to set them with a little bit of spray. So I am going to set them with the Superfine Spray by Orbe. Spray them up a little bit all around the face. Make sure we get it to the ends. Perfect. Now that the curls are all set and we put some hairspray in them, it's time to brush them out, and that's going to give them that really nice beachy wave effect.